So if you've looked online, you've probably seen this exercise before. Bird dog's probably one of the most popular exercises that physical therapists use to keep spines healthy. And this is great for people that have limited mobility or people that just want to get stronger and have a healthy spine for the rest of their life. All right, so David's been kind enough to be my patient, and we're going to go over proper technique with the bird dog. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the spine is in a neutral position. And one of the ways I do this with my clients is I'll have them come up and down, so like a cat-cow, and then I want you to find 50% of that. There it is. So now I know the spine is nice and in neutral. And then I'm going to have him pull his abdominal wall in, and making sure he's nice and tight. And then we're going to raise the opposite arm and opposite leg, keeping those abs engaged. Beautiful. Nice and slow, just like that. And then we'll repeat on the other side. Excellent. I'm taking a look at his spine, making sure it doesn't move. So some of the common mistakes I've seen with patients doing bird dogs, especially if your therapist fell asleep, is their back starts to move. And this is a stabilization exercise to keep a healthy back, so we don't want that. So an example of this would be if David was to go ahead and raise his arm and leg, and you can see how he's rotated and he's arched. So that's not really stable or not in neutral. So you'd want to correct that. Come on back down. Beautiful. And so one of the things I'll do is sometimes I'll place my hand here or I'll place a roller, and I essentially don't want that to tilt. So making sure that the spine stays nice and stable. That's it. Perfect. So that was an example of the bird dog. And if you like that video, please hit that subscribe button. And we have many more videos to come. So thanks for following us.